I fuck with you the long way. That's why I keep my distance.
Hey honeys, what's up YouTube? It's your girl Miesha, and I'm back with another video. If you are new here, hey boo, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And if you are a returning subscriber, what's good, what's poppin' sis? As you guys know, I'm going to be doing my hair on today. Nothing major, but this slay. But first, I need y'all to comment down below. What lace? One word, melted. Period. Okay? This is my first time ever wearing a bob, and I actually like it. The curls are giving what it's supposed to give. I was going for a wet look on dry hair. So yeah, y'all know the vibes. If you are interested in seeing me style my hair, make sure that you keep on watching. Before we get started on this slay, I'm going to show you guys the wig we're going to be using on today from Elva Hair. They left some goodies in the packaging: an elastic band, a rat tail comb, wig caps, and of course the wig. This wig did come pre-bleached, pre-dyed, pre-colored, so what you see is what you're going to get. I'll have all of the information listed down below in the description box, so make sure you guys check that out. I put a little makeup on the lace, and then I did go ahead and put the wig on. Do you guys see that scalpiana? Okay, y'all see it or you don't. Anyways, pull that lace back, and we're gonna go ahead and clip all of the hair out of the way and jump right into it, y'all. I ain't wasting no time. We're gonna go ahead and get some what's this I'm using? Ghost bond. Yeah, this is my first time ever using ghost bond glue, and we gonna see rude we gonna see how. Okay, Instagram, make sure y'all follow me on Instagram, okay, because the notifications are rolling in. So I went around my hairline with that ghost bun, and I smoothed it all out with the end of the rat tail comb, making sure that it's even all around so that it can dry clear. Y'all, this video is sped up, but I did not edit out any clips right here, so you're gonna actually see it start turning clear in a little bit of fast motion. So your girl trying to multitask, I gotta get to it. Throughout this video, y'all are gonna see me looking down at this angle for quite some time, because I was recording a TikTok video at the same time while filming a YouTube video. Make sure you guys are following me on TikTok. My TikTok is at Miesha, period. After I'm done applying all of my layers of glue, I'm gonna go ahead and pull that lace into the glue, making sure that I put the hairline right in front of, like a little bit over or above where the glue is applied. Now I'm pushing the teeth of the rat tail comb into the lace and mushing that lace down, and then I'm gonna go in with a blow dryer and add some heat to it. I'm going to use the hot comb to get all of those flyaways to lay down and make sure the hairline is nice and flat and sleek. And after I get finished hot combing the front of my hairline, I'm going to go in with an elastic band and tie everything well with the hairline down. The parting space on this wig in the middle is really good. It goes back pretty far, like 6 inches. On the sides you don't get much parting space, but you can make some really deep parts in the middle. I know my knots look a little bit over bleached, but it's actually going to work out for the way that I'm going to part my hair. It's going to really look really good with the over bleached parts, so don't mind that. But we're going to go ahead and cut this lace off. Y'all, in the beginning, you know, you got to trust the process. It's going to look a little light, look a little white, but don't mind it. Trust the process. We're going to get rid of all of that. Even though it has a white cast, that lace is still melted, so that's all that matters. We're gonna fix the color. So after I finish taking out all of my baby hairs and getting them out the way, I'm gonna go in with a little makeup on top of that lace, so that when we melt it for the last time, it's just gonna be scalp. And then I'm gonna go in with some foaming mousse just to make sure all of the flyaways and everything is laid down in the front and everything can be flat. So I decided on a middle zigzag part, and I'm just going to show you guys how I formed that, and you're going to see how it looks so good with the like slightly over bleached knots. It's just going to make the parts appear a little bit wider, and it's just going to look really, really cute. So y'all can just see me part my hair. I'm using mousse to lay all of my hair down in the direction that I needed to go. And I'm combing everything through so that it can be nice and flat. And then I'm going to use my hot comb to like lock everything in place and to make sure everything is flat. So now that everything has set and dried, I take the elastic band off, and y'all, oh, it's melted. So I'm gonna go ahead and comb out my hairline, and then we're gonna cut and form these baby hairs so that everything can just come together for the full and the final slay. So today I'm going to be using the Got To Be gel and the black bottle to form my baby hairs. I'm going for more of a wet and sleek look on today, so I want my baby hairs to match that. This hairstyle is literally already fire. Look at those baby hairs. They're on swim and it just looks so laid. Y'all rate my baby hairs down below.
What you doing? Come outside, I'm finna pull up on you. Come ride with me, baby, I want you to feel me. You know my loyalty with us, don't ask me about no side bitch. When you ain't here, I'm thinking about it. I'm